Hello, cool boys! For today's episode of Car Accessories, we have a NovSight LED headlight. This is a 6000K color temperature, and the output power is 30 watts. Input voltage is 9 volts to 36 volts. This one is an H4 and it's made for a Honda City 2013 stock headlight assembly. So before you purchase anything online, make sure you're getting the correct measurements for your headlights. Inside the box there is a glove because you don't want to touch the LED with your bare hands. Also, do not touch the halogen bulbs with your bare hands because it will damage it. So this one has a manual and the silica gel, and we have the headlight itself. So before we proceed, I have a trivia for you. Like I mentioned earlier, this is a 6000K and the K stands for Kelvin, but that is not a measure of temperature. This one we are measuring the light. So if you look at the gauge, there's 1000K up to 10,000K. This fluorescent lamps, as you can see here, is in a range of 3000. And if you go out on a sunny day, that range is around 5,000. But this one is around 6,000. So this will give you like a pretty much good daylight. So you can drive good at night. So with that said, let's test the IP68 rating. I'm so afraid. Hopefully my car doesn't blow up. It really is underwater. Let's submerge the fan. Wow, that's really nice. It really works underwater. So this one, I could leave it for 5 hours, but I don't have the time. But this really proves that this has an IP rating of 68. To give you a closer look, as you can see, it's still working. So even if the fan is fully submerged, it still spins and still gives this wonderful light, bright light. As you can see on my left, this is my Osram halogen bulb. The color range is around 3000K, so it looks like a fluorescent lamp. And if you look on my right, this is the NovSight 6000K. The color is really good, so it's just like driving during daytime. And even if we put on full bright, see, it's a big difference. So it really worth it. So to answer the question, is it necessary? Number one, yes, because there's a big difference. It's just like driving during daytime. Number two, for LED, for a 30 watt bulb, 80% of that 30 watt gives you light and the heat is only 20%. So there's going to be less damage on your headlight assembly in the long run. Third, LED lasts 10 times longer than halogen bulbs. So with this one, I'm very happy with it. Installation time took me around 30 minutes. It's really fast. Price for this was around 90 ringgit. Really worth it because you can see it has an IP68 rating for the waterproof. So for this one, I'm gonna give this an okay. And this is a certified cool boy accessories. So don't forget to watch my other videos, like and subscribe. Keep safe and stay at home.